Welcome dear friends. In this video we will solve PPSC Inspector Legal General Knowledge paper of the year 2015. What is the term used to denote the unauthorized and illegal access of computer programs, often with criminal intent? Hacking. Which public holiday is celebrated in the USA on 4th July every year? Independence Day. Which country in the Middle East is the Hashemite Kingdom? Jordan. Which body of people is sometimes referred to as the fourth estate? The press. What is the Richter scale used to measure? Earthquake. Kindergarten refers to a nursery school. What did Burma change its name to in 1989? Myanmar. Which body organ produces urine? Kidney. What is meant by cock and bull story? An unbelievable tale. Rule of thumb. An easily applied procedure for making a determination. Renaissance movement started first in Italy. What are Newton's used to measure? Gravity. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Hydrogen. How many chambers are there in the human heart? 4. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. Hard disk in a computer is a storage device. A set of instructions that operates various parts of the computer hardware is called software. The capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe. World Water Day is celebrated on 22nd March. The one who is capable of dealing with many subjects is called versatile. What is the one word substitution for a person who is unable to pay his debt? Insolvent. The Great Persian Empire was founded by Cyrus the Great. The palace of Persepolis in Iran was destroyed in 330 BC by Alexander the Great. The palace of King Nebuchadnezzar was situated in the city of Babylon. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight to the body? Vitamin D. The enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay ELISA uses antibodies. What is Chlamydomonas? An algae. In which year was the first widely available web browser Mosaic released? 1993. The world famous Golden Gate Bridge is situated in San Francisco. The smallest unit of data in a computer is bit. What is the most common salt in seawater? Sodium chloride. The Last Supper, a famous Renaissance painting, was the masterpiece of Leonardo da Vinci. The International Secretariat of Amnesty International is situated in London. The organ in the body which accumulates iodine is thyroid gland. Who invented the chronometer? John Harrison. Which is called Land of Midnight Sun? Norway. Wimbledon, known for lawn tennis courts, is in London. Britain's highest military award is Victoria Cross. The book A Farewell to Arms was written by Ernest Hemingway. The oldest monarchy in the world is that of Japan. The dress made with which of the following materials is safest to wear while cooking? Cotton. Which of the following gases is used in refrigeration? Ammonia. Philology is scientific study of literary text. The first satellite was launched by USSR. As of 2012, how many countries were members of the non-aligned movement? 120, and it is the same in 2025. Which of the following agencies related to UNO was in existence before World War II? ILO. The first SARC summit was held at Dhaka. Which among the following is a positively charged particle emitted by a radioactive element? Alpha rays. If there is no sun, the color of the sky would be none of these. It would be black. Which of the following is not a chemical reaction? Conversion of water into steam. A chronometer measures time. The lightest particle of the matter is. In the given options, it is electron, but actually the lightest particle of matter is neutrino. Meteorology is science of atmosphere, which is called key to the Mediterranean. Gibraltar. Which of the following is known as land of white elephants? Thailand. Hansard is the official verbatim report of the British Parliament. Who said better to reign in hell than to serve in heaven? Milton. Vasco da Gama was the native of Portugal. Which country is separated from Ethiopia by the Red Sea? Yemen. The term paper gold is associated with special drawing rights in international monetary system. Income that is saved and not invested is known as deposit. European Union consists of. Earlier it had 28 members, but when British decided to leave, now it has 27 members after the Brexit. KGB was the national security agency of Soviet Union. Who was the surgeon who pioneered antiseptic surgery in 1865? Joseph Lister. The credit of developing the polio vaccine goes to Jonas Salk. Who invented the ballpoint pen? Lazio Bero. Blaise Pascal is associated with calculation machine. A metal which is liquid at room temperature is mercury. Study of earthquakes is known as seismology. Ecology deals with relations between organisms and their environment. Oncology is the study of cancer. Optic fibers are mainly used for which of the following? Communication. Mount Logan is the highest peak in which country? Canada. In which state of USA is Harvard University located? Massachusetts. The first stew baby of the world was born in Britain. What makes a lemon sour? Citric acid. Stare decisis is essentially the doctrine of precedent. Which country is the largest producer of platinum? South Africa. The country traditionally known for its neutrality is Switzerland. Who discovered the solar system? Copernicus. Fathom is the unit of measurement for depth. Which is the hardest among the following? Diamond. Which is the sport most commonly associated with Spain? Bullfighting. Which of the following is associated with Einstein? Theory of relativity. Who among the following received a Nobel Prize twice? Marie Curie. The smallest gland in the body is pineal gland. London is situated on the bank of river Thames. Plants during night exhale carbon dioxide. The headquarters of OPEC countries is at Vienna. The only Hindu state in the world is Nepal. In which year was UNO established? 1945. The first astronaut who landed on the moon was Neil Armstrong. Which continent has no desert? Europe. Which Pakistani poet got Lenin Prize? Faiz Ahmad Faiz. When RCD, Regional Cooperation for Development, was replaced by ECO, Economic Cooperation Organization. 1985. Inflation means that money falls in value. Who among the following is associated with the theory of laissez-faire? Adam Smith. America's Cup is associated with which of the following sports? Sailing. Silk is produced by larva of silkworm. Scurvy is a disease of skin. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.